Hey guys, so welcome to the next video in our TSQL series where we'll be looking at the drop table command in SQL. So just for some context, drop table command exists as part of the DDL, which is the data definition language of SQL, and it simply deals with the description of the database schema and is used to create, modify, and delete structures or database objects that exist in the database. So these commands are generally not used by end users, but rather by application developers, database management people, data engineers, and the like. So let's dive into the drop table command. So the drop table command or drop table statement is used to drop an existing table in the database. That means it's used to delete a table that exists in a database. It will result in a loss of complete information of that table which was stored in the database. So the memory is freed up also in this case. So this drop table will delete data that includes the table data, the table definitions, indexes, and constraints. And we've got the syntax here for you, which is just drop table name. So let's look at a demonstration. So here, just to show you, I've got two tables, one called persons and one called persons underscore copy. So persons is the real table, and persons underscore copy was just a duplicate sort of staging table which I had used. So once I'm done staging data and I want to just get rid of the staging table and I don't want it to occupy resources of the computer, I use the drop table commands. Here in this case, I'll write drop table persons.cop, which is the staging table, and run it. So now pay attention here when I refresh the temp database which I've been using. That persons.cop table no longer exists. So just to confirm, I run the table and we've got an invalid object name, which means the table has been completely dropped from the database. So sometimes people get confused between the drop table and the truncate table command. So the drop table sort of deletes all the data related to the table, which includes the data definition, the table definition, the indexes, the constraints, and the rest of the table data. Whereas the truncate table command just deletes the row data and keeps the table definition. So then you can also, that's what makes the truncate table faster, because it doesn't have to delete the table definitions and other information such as indexes and constraints. So that's been a common confusion. I'll be making the next video about the truncate table command with a demonstration. So once again, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to help us continue making more videos like these. Thank you.